my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, I have stripped this nail back down to a very, very thin layer. So I'm going to come in with my nail prep and then the Ultra Bond. You may be able to hear my dogs playing in the background. They've done ever so well this morning. They've been asleep all morning. I think they're getting a bit restless now. Okay, giving that a waft. Right. Oh, we are using glistening rose today. It's a gorgeous pink acrylic. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm using my acrylic A8 brush. Now it is very, very cold in here, so my acrylic is being pretty temperamental. We're never happy as nail techs, are we? It's either too hot to do acrylics or too cold to do acrylics. This is where, oh, I could have done these in Orajel, you know. Boys, stop.
You guys could just see the look on the face when they just got told that. It was hilarious.
But Mum.
The side eye.
Come on, start setting, please.
Do you want me to put it on the heat?
That's all right, I just need it to stop moving so I can get the next bead on. There we go. Oh, it's so pretty, this colour. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So I normally work in 2 beads, however, because it is so cold in here, I'm going to do it in 3, just smaller, more controlled beads. Because it's pretty fresh in here, and it's
been warmer.
I've had the bloody radiator on all morning, and it's still snippy. Roll on summer, that's what I say.
I'm not built for winter. I'm flip-flops and...
I've got the body for somebody that's built for winter.
I'm not built for winter.
Got to do some 3D work with this acrylic. It needs to warm up post-haste. Otherwise I'm going to have to throw it out the window. So make sure you're getting your apex in with your cuticle bead. Oh, this is such a pretty colour. I don't use this as often as I should do, really. I think I say that with every single colour acrylic I use. But I think Blossom's my always go-to, isn't it? Because it's such a lovely nude.
Yes. And with it being that peachy, with the peachy undertones, you can almost put it with everything. Whereas this has got quite a cool undertone.
Yeah, well, I'm definitely more of a nudie peach person than I am a pink person. So I think I tend to favourite that because I'm not a pink person, but I really should, yeah. Okie dokes, right, let's give that, I was going to say a few minutes, but it's so cold in here, we're going to need a few days for this to set.
Oh, I'm just going to shove it on the radiator.
Pop on the radiator, Sam, thanks. Right, we are all filed up, now that it's set. Get rid of all of that dust. Right, so I'm going to be using the Velvet Matte Top Coat.
I'm loving the Velvet Matte this time. I'm not normally a Velvet Matte person.
Like I say, it's the time of year, I think. Right, so before that goes into the lamp, I'm using some of the nail art trinkets, and in here there are some circles. So they've got a slight curve to them. Now I am going to be securing these down more, but I just want to initially set them in. Well, let's do that one up there and that one down there. Just going to initially get them sat in place in the, what's the word I'm looking for, Sam? In the matte top coat. And then I'm also using the copper crystals, just the smallest ones that are in there, proper dinky ones. And I'm just going to pop a couple of these. Let's do one here, get one up here, and we'll sneak another one in just down here.
Never have enough crystals.
Absolutely not. Right, so before that goes into the lamp, let's get a little brush. What brush are we going to use? Not you, let's use you. So I'm just using the small ultrafine 000, and I'm just getting a bit of the matte top coat, and I'm just going to come round just the edge of a couple of all these crystals, not going over them, just coming around the edge, and this is just going to help hold them in place. Make sure you've not got too much on there either. Fabulous. Right, pop that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. Oh, this is going to look pretty. What glitter was I going to use? Oh, I did get a glitter out, didn't I?
You did get
right, so we're going to fill the trinkets with Cupid. Love Cupid. So I'm going to keep using the 000 ultrafine brush, and we need some of the normal top coat, the no white top coat, not the matte one. So when that comes out the lamp, I'm just going to get a little bit of the top coat. Oh, look at that. A little bit of top coat, and I'm going to pop that in the trinket and just over the edge of the trinket as well. Not going over the edge, but just getting on the trinket, and this is just going to help secure it in place as well. So while I've got top coat on my brush, I'll dip that in and just start placing some glitter in the centre of that trinket. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see. Right, so I'm going to repeat the process on the larger bauble. Again, keep that in the trinket, but I'm just coming up and onto the trinket and then into the glitter. And fill the base of that. Okay, when you're happy, that can go in for a cure. Right, so I'm going to repeat the process again. So a little bit of top coat on there, and then a bit more glitter, just that we've got it completely filled and super sparkly. Same again on the large one. Bit of top coat and some more glitter. Really pack it. Fabulous. Okay, pop that in again for me, please, Sam. Okay, so when that's had a cure, we're done with the glitter now. Then I'm going to come back in with the top coat, a nice big dollop. And I'm going to pop that on and really create a nice dome with that. Get that in the lamp nice and quick for me, please, Sam. Just a quick flash cure. Just 5-6 seconds should do it, and then we'll do the same on the other one.
Just tell me when you want me to take it out.
Okay, that'll do. And then the dollop on this one. Again, really make sure that you're encapsulating all that glitter. Okay, pop that one in. And I'm going to repeat that process again on top of that, and this is going to make a really nice dome, make it more 3D, like a big old bauble. Okay, that should do. So you should see already when you look at the side that it's already coming up and out, but we're going to make that even more prominent. So another big dollop of top coat again. Pop that over, around, and pop that in the lamp. You've got to be pretty quick getting it in the lamp so that it doesn't slip down and onto the mat. Okay, so then pop that one out. Same again on this one. And this just really amplifies the glitter. Nice contrast against that mat. And into the lamp, please, Sam. Right, so that can now go in for a full cure. And we're going to be using, shall I use that one or shall I use praline? I might use praline. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, I'm going to use praline. So I'm going to use just a glitter gel polish just for the string of the bauble. So I'm going to be using praline or praline from the Au Chocolat collection. So I'll just get a little bit of that on the back of my thumb. You don't need a lot. So load my brush up and I'm just going to come straight up to the top. It's a really nice contrast on that matte polish, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, pop that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. Okay, right, let's get Glistening Rose back out. I was going to say Blossom, but I knew it wasn't Blossom.
I'm using Glistening Rose on this one, look.
Yep. And I am using the mini 3D acrylic brush. Ta-da! Where's my monomer gone? There, hiding from me. Right, there's a good chance this might go all piton because of the temperature in here. But we just want a very, very small bead of acrylic at the top here. Get off my brush. Just to the right of that string. Now normally I'd set down all my beads, but because it's so cold in here and acrylic is being temperamental, I'm just going to do one at a time. So when you think that we're almost set, I'm just going to come in and bring my brush and just pat that out, tuck it back in where needed. Fabulous. So I'm going to repeat that process again. Oh no, that's too runny. Oh, I love it. I love it so much.
Absolutely love it. And I'm not a Christmas person, guys, but I'm loving my Christmas nail.
I just love the colours. I think they're so complementary, aren't they?
Mm.
Just let that set a couple more seconds.
She doesn't very often let me have pink.
Just flip your hand over and bend that for me, thank you. Sometimes it's easier to move your client about. So bring that back into a point in the centre. Okay, flip your hand back over and we'll do the same on the little bauble. little bit tricky to see. Oh
Helps
my
if you
goodness.
put your glasses
A little
on.
bit tricky to see. I wonder why. I haven't got my glasses on. I love this brush. It's got such a good shape to it. Makes light work of 3D work even with the teeniest beads like this. And final bead on the other side. Oh, I lost it. There we go.
It's because you're having to work almost dry, isn't it?
Okay, flip your hand over and bend your fingers. Just straighten those ones out for me, thank you. Oh, he's so noisy today. Fabulous, pop that one over. Well, there we go, I'm happy with it. Fabulous. Right, I'm just going to give that a couple of seconds to set before I pop my cuticle oil on. What cuticle oil are we having today, Sam?
Banana.
Banana?
You haven't done banana yet.
Oh, that's mango. Where's banana gone?
Have you run out of banana?
No, it's hiding. There it is. A little bit of banana.
Got a whole fruit salad.
And rub that in. And there we go.
Christmas bauble.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.